Awesome, okay.
The wall, they done the vinyl.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Her and her brother built everything.
Y'all built all this? Awesome, okay.
The wall, they done the vinyl, done everything.
Awesome. Do y'all know the specs on the enclosure?
Do you remember it?
Oh yeah, 2-on-1 fourth order.
Okay. How about the tuning? Do you know what it's tuned to?
You remember what the tuning is? It's tuned for 32, but we got it higher today.
Yeah.
We're gonna get on the meter about 44.
Okay. And what about what kind of subwoofers and power do you have? What's your electrical and power and subwoofers?
She's got dual alternators.
Okay.
Zero gauge all the way to the back. She's running a Smart 3K right now.
Okay. The Smart 3K, the Terramps?
Terramp Smart 3K, and it's turned down.
Okay. Is it at 1 ohm?
1 ohm.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 single ohm.
Awesome. I've never seen a Sony explodes in a fourth order before.
That's why we was real worried.
You were?
Yeah, and it still can. Everything is built cheap.
Yeah. It's a budget build.
What's that?
Budget build?
But I got about $600 in the whole thing. The ride,
Really?
the wheels, the truck.
No way, doing all of this. This is a good build then. Nice.
The amp was the most expensive thing.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
All this right here is yard sale stuff picked up.
Okay.
So, like I said, I mean, you see dual, Clarion, that's a pawn shop.
Yep.
All this stuff.
Okay. What was her?
$100 for
What's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela. And you?
Eddie.
Eddie.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Her truck name is going to be Holy Explosion.
Holy Explosion.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything that she's going to be playing is going to be Christian hip hop.
Okay.
So,
Awesome.
all right.
Yes, sir. Hey, thank you. Nice to meet y'all.
You're welcome.
Can I see the amp? Oh, it's right there. I was thinking it was on the side. Okay. That little amp putting out much power.
What's that?
The little amp putting a lot of power out. Yes, sir.
We're talking about going ahead and putting another one in and strapping it.
Yeah. Okay.
So, we're fixing to find out exactly what it's pushing.
Yes, sir.
They say 3,000, but I want to see it on a meter.
On a meter, yeah. Yes, sir.
So,
Okay.
all right.
Thank you. Awesome. Okay.
The wall, they done the vinyl, done
Okay.
everything.
Awesome. Awesome. Do y'all know the specs on the enclosure?
You remember it?
Oh yeah, 2-in-1 fourth order.
Okay. How about the tuning? Do you know what it's tuned to?
You remember what the tuning is? It's tuned for 32, but we got it higher today.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take and get on the meter about 44.
Okay. And what about what kind of subwoofers and power do you have? What's your electrical and power and subwoofers?
She's got dual alternators.
Okay.
Zero gauge all the way to the back. She's running a Smart 3K right now.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.